Good morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 5 and Year 6 Presentation Assembly. Yes, as you can see, it's Friday the 26th of May 2023. We're going to celebrate all those children who've earned themselves presentation certificates this half term. We're going to start this morning in Year 5 with our English stars. And these have been working really hard throughout this half term on their English. And it is North, Heather Rose, Fiona and Abe. Really impressive and, as you can see, expressive English stars. So well done, you four. Enjoyed taking your English star certificate home today. You absolute superstars. Really well done. To our reading stars. Now, not only are these guys going to be taking a certificate, but they'll be taking a reading book as well. And they are Willow, Emily Ann, Oscar and Summer. Well done, guys. Thank you for filling in your reading records so avidly every single day and reading so much. You'll have a book to read as well over half term as well. So look forward to hearing all about that when you come back after half term. Our math stars in Year 5, our math stars this morning are Alfie, Jack, Lola, Tilly and Regan. Well done, you four. I know you've been working so hard. I've seen the maths you're doing. And some of you doing Year 6 maths as well. So majestic indeed. Really well done, you four. Massive thumbs up from Mr. Allen as well. So keep it up after half term. Thank you. Our scientists in Year 5 are this morning, as you can see, Mahir, Daniel, Christopus and Tia Rose. Sublime indeed. Well done, you sublime science stars. Massive thumbs up again from Mr. Allen. Really well done. Just keep up that science work. It is amazing. So well done, you four. And I know how much you love science as well. So a bonus to get a certificate in the subject you love. Well done, you four. Our historians, in they come, whizzing in from the past. Here they come. Tyler, Jayla, Eva and Jaden. Well done, guys. Humble history stuff. They're humble indeed. Really well done. You should be really proud of what you've achieved. They're massive thumbs up from Eva as well. Well done, Eva, for everyone. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking certificate home today, you superstars. Well done. Our geography stars, all these geographers, let's see where they're whizzing in from all over the world. You can see we've got Eric, we've got Lila Jade, we've got Alexis, and we got Ollie. Again, massive thumbs up. Really well done, you glorious geography stars. Enjoy taking certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. Our PE stars, look at these guys running in. Here they come. Now these guys, not only are they active at their lessons, whether that's swimming at the moment or their games lesson or even on the playground, they really are active. So you've got Savannah, we've got Bailey, we've got Eric, we've got Esme. I know how active you all are, and that's out of school as well. So really well done, you four. Keep it up and keep up that amazing physical activity over half term as well, which I know you will, these superstars. Well done. On to Year 6. We've got Year 6 now with Year 6's English stars. Look at these guys whizzing in. Here they come. Look at that. Lily, Layla, Kobe and Jessica. Well done, guys. You've just earned yourself your English star certificate. Fantastic work right towards the end of Year 6 as well. You've got another half term to go. So really well done. Enjoy taking certificates home, you superstars. Well done. On to our reading stars. And these guys again, not only are they going to take a certificate, but they'll be taking a reading book home as well. And they are Ivor, Botan, Olivia and Oliver. I know you guys are avid readers, I know that, but you'll have a book to read as well, another book over half term. So well done, you four, you superstars. On to our math stars, and our mathematicians this morning are none other than, in they come, Reggie, Mia, Dale and Lena. Well done, you mathematician wizards, I know that. And actually, you've done really well in your SATs, I am sure, when those results come out. Throughout them, you did your best. You tried really hard, so really well done. Enjoy taking certificates home today, you superstars. Well done. On to our scientists. And our scientists this morning in Year 6 are none other than Dexter, Amelia, Olivia and Bentley. Olivia in for another one there. But really well done, you absolute science superstars. So proud of you. Really proud. And absolutely been working so hard, I know. And I see, look at that big smile on Dexter's face. You should all be smiling. You've earned yourself your science star certificate, superstars. Well done. Our historians, look at these. Here they come, whizzing in from the past. Look, it's Alex, Jaden, it's Sapphire, Claudia and Holly. Well, look at that work as well, Holly, on the Aztecs. I know all of you have been working so hard in your history. Not only that, but you're really enjoying it as well. So well done, all of you, and fantastic work, as you can see from Holly. So well done, guys. Our geography stars, look at these geographies. Let's see what part of the world they're whizzing in from. Oh, all over the world, look at that. So we've got Riley, we've got Dylan, we've got Andrea, and we've got Riley. Guys, so impressed with your geography knowledge and your geography skills. So much so, you've earned yourself your geography certificates. Well done, guys. Enjoy taking them home today, superstars. Well done. Finally this morning onto our Year 6 PE stars, and here they come running in. Oh, at a pace. We've got Subhan, we've got Jack, we've got Kieran, and we've got Reese. It's about being a team player. You four have worked so hard in your PE, your games lesson, and even now with your swimming. So really well done this half term. Fantastic effort in my gazing lessons as well. So really well deserved certificates. Enjoy taking them home today, you absolute superstars. And yes, that is it for this half term. As you can see, closes today at 3:15 p.m. for our week off, for our half-term week off. We're back to school Monday, the 5th of June in 2023. Gates open at 8:30. Have a fantastic half-term, everyone. We'll see you all then. Please stay safe. See you on Monday, the 5th of June at 8:30. Bye-bye now.